Identity resolution. So, not too long ago, we would have an issue when we were paying for traffic or paying for a client or paying for a customer, and we would send them from an ad, whether it be Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, Twitter, to a landing page and have them complete a form, right? Enter your email address to learn how to generate more leads, or enter your email address for this free white paper explaining the top 10 reasons why you're struggling to get clients, right? Or, enter your email address and watch this quick 5-minute video on how you can improve your sales channel. That sales funnel, that process would attract bot fraud, meaning that developers would create these type of bots that would enter in a fake name and a fake email address, right? We call it bot fraud. So what we set out to do was to, find that identity resolution, right? How do we know that this transaction or this point of data digitally is an actual human being? And that's how we were able to come to the conclusion or come to the value proposition to know who's actively in market pursuing a purchase of what you sell. My name is Michael Karras. I'm the founder and owner of Client Acquisitions. We help software and IT companies get from $1 million to 10 million, or from 10 million to 50 million, whatever success is for them, by using big data, artificial intelligence, and inbound marketing. The technology is sexy as hell, right? People always ask me, well, Michael, how do you know who's in market? How do you do that? How does it, what format does it come in? The technology is the technology, right? But it's what you do with that technology that really gives you a competitive advantage, right? Because we know the time-tested, proven methodologies of how to turn someone who's never heard of you, an ideal prospect who has never heard of you, how to turn them into a paying client. That is a powerful magic trick, right? That is where the power lies. And that comes down to the fundamentals of marketing, right? Knowing the two things you need to have in place when someone is looking to buy from you. Understanding how to build trust. Understanding a competitive value proposition. Understanding the 5 steps to a conversation. Understanding how to help someone come to a conclusion, right? What marketing really is. Knowing where all sales starts, right? These are all the fundamentals of marketing. And I guess you can say online marketing as well, because we're in a digital age in 2018. But not to go astray, not to go on a tangent, at the end of the day, the identity resolution. It's the ability to know who that person is, the ability to know them by name, the ability to identify them on any platform, online or offline, email, mobile, direct mail, calling, Bing, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Amazon, Google, right? That is identity resolution. So if you want to get to the next level, if you want to get to the success that you want to get to, you're going to have to consider leveraging a different strategy, right? If you want to continue to get the same things you got, you continue to do the same things, right? If you want something different, you're going to have to change what you're doing. If you keep doing the same things that you're doing, you're going to keep getting the same results that you get. So if you want to learn more, feel free to reach out. If you're watching this video, you have my contact information. Depending on where you're watching this, please like, share, subscribe, because someone else may find value in this to your success.